Hey there, Wealth Master family. Are you stuck being broke and feeling like there's no way out? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share actionable steps that can help you break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's absolutely achievable. And I'm here to show you how to fix it. Let's dive in. First, acknowledge and accept your reality. I know it's tough, but denial won't help. Look closely at your finances. Ask yourself, where is your money going? Are there hidden debts like student loans or unpaid credit cards? Are you living beyond your means? Keep a record of your expenses for at least a month. This helps you spot any leaks in your spending. Trust me, self-awareness is the first step toward making better financial decisions. Next, let's talk about the B word, budgeting. I know it might sound scary, but think of it as your personal roadmap to financial freedom. Start by tracking all sources of income, your salary, side hustles, whatever else brings money in. Then categorize your expenses. You've got fixed costs like rent and variable costs like groceries. Here's a tip. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities like rent, utilities, and food. 30% is for your wants. Yes, you can still have fun. And the last 20%? That's for savings and paying off debt. Keeping a budget doesn't have to be hard. There are tools like YNAB or even a simple spreadsheet to keep you on track. Your future self will thank you. Now that you have a budget, it's time to identify the leaks. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. Maybe it's those Friday night dinners with friends, those must-have impulse buys, or even subscriptions you don't use. It adds up, right? Here's what you can do. Cook more meals at home. It's a lot cheaper than eating out. Unsubscribe from things you don't use. And don't forget to negotiate your bills. Yes, you can call up your service providers and ask for better rates. You'd be surprised how much you can save. All right, we've covered expenses, but what about your mindset? This part is crucial. A financial fix isn't just about numbers, it's about how you think. Start by shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Instead of focusing on what you lack, appreciate what you have and believe in your ability to create more. Shift from instant gratification to delayed satisfaction. Instead of buying that new gadget right now, ask yourself if it's really worth the long-term financial cost. Finally, shift from victim to victor. Stop blaming your situation on external factors. Take ownership. You're in control, and that's empowering. Now, if you really want to accelerate your journey, increase your income stream. Can you ask for a raise, start a side hustle, or even sell stuff you no longer need? There are countless ways to bring in extra cash, and every bit counts. Also, consider upskilling yourself. New skills can open up new opportunities, making you more valuable in the job market and giving you more income. While you're increasing your income, don't forget to build an emergency fund. Life happens. Unexpected bills, medical emergencies. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to. Even $20 a week can add up over time. Let's talk about debt management. Debt can feel like a weight around your neck, but there are ways to handle it strategically. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. You can also consider consolidating multiple debts into one lower interest payment plan. And here's the big one. Avoid new debt. Credit cards can be tempting, but resist the urge. Focus on paying down what you already owe. Finally, let's wrap things up with saving more and spending less. You don't need to live a life of deprivation, but there are simple ways to cut back. Embrace minimalism. Do you really need all that stuff? Consider trying a no-spend challenge for a month. You'll be amazed at what you can save. And here's a key tip. Automate your savings. Have a portion of your paycheck automatically transferred into a savings account. It takes away the temptation to spend, and you'll build your emergency fund or retirement savings without even thinking about it. So if you're tired of being stuck in that broke cycle, know that you have the power to change your financial future. Take these steps. Acknowledge your reality, build a budget, shift your mindset, increase your income, and manage your debt wisely. Celebrate small victories along the way. This journey takes time, but you can absolutely achieve financial freedom. And hey, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. We're all about building wealth together here at Wealth Master. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take control of your financial destiny.